So I've been in real estate for about a decade now, and one of the most resourceful ways to prepare is to look at a map on the satellite mode. And I've gone a step above that and created this custom map. So if you want to understand what PGA West offers, you can see there's different HOAs. I've drawn these sections, so you can click here, and this is going to give you all of Arnold Palmer, a description, and you can click this link. It will take you to search for homes for sale within that community. I also have the golf course holes pinned out, and you can click around. Here's Greg Norman. You get a description. You can search for homes for sale. Let's say you didn't want to learn about the different HOAs. What you could do is go on this map. It's a custom map, Google Maps, and just click this HOA box off. So now, say you were just here for golf, you just make sure that HOAs is off. And then now I want to search Nicklaus Tournament. That's the yellow pins here. And you'd start right next to Ernie's Bar and Grill. And you're going to be teeing off right here. And then each hole, like I said, right where you tee off is where I have the numbers there. So it's a very resourceful tool for anything PGA West. It's a great way to search for homes because the different HOAs have different pricings and offerings, and it's kind of hard to understand where they're at or how to search for homes just within that neighborhood. That's why I've created this map to help home buyers and golfers with anything PGA West. It's by far the best map on the internet. You could check me on that. This is going to offer everything you need. So enjoy. I'll talk to you at the next video.